Good afternoon, everyone! So, ito po ang nakakatakam na menu natin for today. The kinilaw na dilis. Best for pulutan, appetizer, and ulam. For the ingredients, we have the dilis. Kailangan po na-remove na yung heads and guts. And then, onions, tomatoes, ginger, cucumber, peanut, calamansi juice, vinegar, salt, black pepper, and sugar. For the procedures, first, in a mixing bowl, add the dilis, onions, tomatoes, ginger, cucumber. And second, add vinegar and calamansi juice. And then third, season with salt, black pepper, and sugar. Pang-blend lang po ng lasa. And then fourth, add the chili and peanut. Then, mix well. And then, fifth, serve and enjoy! Happy eating, everyone!